Now it's time to discuss about the AND, OR and the NOT operators in SQL. So I hope you are familiar with AND, OR, NOT. So this is the AND or AND, both are the same things. This is the OR, both are the same things, and this is the NOT or NOT. So you know very well, if you have condition 1 and condition 2, if you have this AND or this AND between these two conditions, if you return true from here, true from here, that means some particular code is executed. If you use or this one, that means if you return this true or this false, it will automatically execute this statement. If you are using not, that means you are saying if this returns true, make it false, because you are using not. So this is very basic. So I consider you have the basic knowledge of these operators. So I hope you have. So now I'm saying that please show me the address from students where the address is this, and if I'm using the AND, make sure I'm going to do this so you can easily, I'm saying AND the SID and the SID equals to 1. So now control enter. So now as you can see, it's not showing you any results because you know very well that I'm saying, just a second, steady. You know very well that I am filtering the record who has this address. So as you can see, address is same. So as you can see, this row have 3 value and this row has 4 value. So that's why it's not receiving any record, because you are saying, oh please use the where clause where the address is this, fine, this returns true. You are using the OR, you are saying that SID equals to 1. So as you can see, here is the one ID is not available. So that's why. And always execute if you return both true conditions, this one and this one. Okay, control enter, control enter. So as you can see, it's not returning. If you're using the OR, it will return the records, because this condition is true. So that's why it's retrieving the values from the tables. And why it's receiving this value? Because this returns false, but this value returns true. So that's why it's also correct. So that's why it's returning this value. Okay, if I'm saying that only show me where not equals to this, control F. So as you can see, it's showing the other results. Okay, so in this way your AND or NOT operators work. So it's totally depend upon you how you are creating the logic and what is your need and what is your requirement. So it's fine. So thank you for watching.